Pearl from Journey to Home Sweet Home. Today, I'm going to show you how I created a drop zone for my kids using a small space by our entryway door. If you have a small space and need some ideas on creating a drop zone, or some people call it a landing zone, then keep watching. And this video is a collaboration with Christina from the DIY Mommy. I'll put a link to her channel down below, along with a link to the playlist so you can get some more organizing inspiration. So the first thing I knew I wanted in this space was a clock to keep myself and my kiddos on track with the time. And bonus, this clock could be seen from anywhere in our home. Next, I needed this place to write down daily reminders and appointments, as well as a place to put their signed papers or papers coming in needing to be signed. So I found this Board Dudes magnetic weekly whiteboard at Dollarama here in Canada. It has a place to write down daily reminders, as well as a magnet and corkboard to pin up important papers. Then in the evening, I can just remove them, sign them, and pin them back up for the kids to take to school. And bonus, the board comes with its own dry erase marker and even a holder for the marker up on the top. I'll put a link down below for where you can find one just like it on Amazon. A really important aspect when thinking about this space or this system was where the kids would put their coats, hats, backpacks, and basically all their gear. So I purchased these hooks from Walmart for inexpensively to put their coats, scarves, and backpacks. And with a quick trip to IKEA, I found this rail and S-hook system. I also purchased their colored numbered baskets from their kids section for each of the kids. And they are usually hung on the S-hooks, but because we were selling our home, I removed them. But this is where their hats and gloves or mittens would go. Right underneath, there's some floor space for shoes. In the winter, I like to put a boot tray there, and in the summer, I like to lay down a small mat. But again, since this video was taken while we were in the process of selling our home, I removed everything for a cleaner look. When the kids were younger, we had a small bench there in this space for them to sit on, and we put a small mat in front of the bench for their shoes. So I really encourage you to carve out a small space today in your home where your children can drop their things as they come in through the door so they're not throwing their stuff around. This video, please like and subscribe. I post videos on creating joy in your home, your life, and in motherhood. I do videos on organizing, routines, cleaning, recipes, favorites, hauls, and more. So I hope you'll join the Journey to Home Sweet Home community. Now it's your turn. I'd like to know if there's something else you include in your drop zone or landing zone that I didn't mention in this video. You guys in the Journey to Home Sweet Home community have amazing ideas, and I'm always looking to better my systems. So I look forward to hearing from you and to see you in my next video. See you soon.